Before cooking became entertainment, before celebrity chefs filled television screens, before food culture spread instantly across social media, the kitchen was a different world. A place of discipline, precision, and hierarchy. Meals prepared for kings, nobles, and wealthy households required extraordinary coordination. Every ingredient mattered, every technique mattered, and every role within the kitchen mattered. Long before restaurants became common, professional cooking had already developed complex systems of organization. Because creating exceptional food is rarely a solitary act, it is a collective effort, one requiring leadership, expertise, and trust. Among the many symbols that emerged from this environment, few became as recognizable as the chef hat. A piece of headwear so closely associated with culinary excellence that it became an icon in its own right. Today, people around the world instantly recognize the tall white hat worn by professional chefs. Its silhouette appears in restaurants, cooking schools, television programs, logos, and popular culture, yet its story extends far beyond appearance. Because the chef hat was never merely decorative, it represented something deeper: professionalism, responsibility, and mastery. The chef hat is generally known by its traditional French name, the toque blanche, meaning white hat. It is characterized by a tall cylindrical shape, pleated fabric, and bright white color. Although modern variations exist, the classic design remains one of the most recognizable uniforms in any profession. Unlike fashion accessories created primarily for style, the chef hat emerged within highly structured working environments. Its purpose was practical, its symbolism developed later. The origins of professional chef attire are closely linked to the evolution of organized kitchens. As culinary traditions became increasingly sophisticated, kitchens required clearer systems of hierarchy and discipline. Large kitchens often employed many individuals simultaneously. Coordination became essential. Uniforms helped create order. The chef hat became part of that visual system. One of the most influential figures in this process was the French culinary pioneer Auguste Escoffier. His emphasis on organization, cleanliness, and professional standards helped shape modern kitchen culture. The chef hat became closely associated with these values. White uniforms reflected cleanliness. Structured attire reflected discipline. The kitchen increasingly resembled a professional institution rather than a simple workspace. The design itself offered practical benefits. Professional kitchens are hot environments. Ovens generate heat. Stoves radiate energy. Long hours demand comfort. The tall structure of the chef hat creates space above the head, encouraging airflow and helping dissipate heat. The lightweight construction improves comfort during demanding shifts. The hat also contributes to hygiene. Hair containment remains essential in food preparation. The chef hat helps prevent loose hair from entering food while maintaining a professional appearance. This combination of functionality and symbolism contributed significantly to its longevity. The engineering behind the hat may appear simple, yet every feature reflects experience accumulated over generations. The white color serves an important purpose. White fabric reveals dirt easily. Stains become immediately visible. As a result, maintaining a clean uniform requires constant attention. The color reinforces professional standards. Cleanliness becomes visible rather than assumed. The pleated design carries historical significance as well. Popular traditions often claim that pleats represented culinary expertise or the number of techniques a chef mastered. While such stories vary in accuracy, they reflect an important reality. The chef hat became closely connected to professional achievement. Psychologically, the chef hat exerts a remarkable influence. Uniforms shape perception, both for observers and wearers. People frequently associate uniforms with expertise and authority. The chef hat amplifies this effect. Its height increases visibility. Its distinctive shape attracts attention. Its historical associations reinforce credibility. The wearer appears knowledgeable before speaking a single word. This influence extends into the kitchen itself. Professional environments rely upon clear structures. Leadership requires recognition. The chef hat helps communicate hierarchy and responsibility. It becomes a visual representation of accountability, a reminder that culinary excellence requires standards. The symbolism became so powerful that the hat evolved into a cultural icon. Even people with little knowledge of culinary history recognize it instantly. The silhouette communicates cooking itself. Few professional garments achieve comparable recognition. The chef hat became shorthand for an entire profession. The rise of modern restaurants strengthened this association. As dining culture expanded, chefs gained increasing visibility. Customers interacted with culinary professionals more directly. Open kitchens became common. Food media flourished. The chef hat remained a powerful symbol of expertise throughout these changes. Television accelerated its global influence. Cooking competitions, documentaries, and educational programs introduced professional kitchen culture to wider audiences. The chef hat became part of popular imagination. Children recognized it. Consumers recognized it. Entire industries adopted it as a symbol of quality and trust. Modern culinary culture has introduced new interpretations. Many contemporary chefs prefer alternative headwear or simplified uniforms. Practical considerations vary across kitchens. Fashion influences evolve. Yet despite these changes, the traditional chef hat remains culturally dominant. The image endures. Because symbols often outlast the practices that created them, the chef hat continues representing ideals larger than clothing. Precision, craftsmanship, discipline, and dedication, values that remain central to professional cooking regardless of changing trends. Perhaps that explains why the chef hat survives. Because food itself occupies a unique place in human experience. Cooking nourishes, connects, and brings people together. The professionals responsible for that work require symbols reflecting its importance. The chef hat became one of those symbols. A piece of fabric transformed into a badge of expertise. A practical tool transformed into an icon. A uniform transformed into a crown. Not a crown of royalty, but a crown earned through skill, through discipline, and through mastery. That is the story of the chef hat. The crown of the kitchen, a symbol of excellence, and one of the most recognizable professional garments ever created.